Let's see how to log repairs from an issue. Once the issue is created, Simply Fleet sets the issue status to open. That means it's logged and waiting for you to take action. Now you choose how to fix it. Option A, send it to an external shop. Option B, assign it internally to your tech team. In this video, we are going to look at Option B, internal repair. If your own tech team is handling it, the admin or manager can convert this issue into a work order by editing the issue and clicking on the Create Work Order button. You can now create the work order by selecting the technician, adding the priority, due date, and other details. Once a technician accepts the job, the issue status moves to In Progress. This locks the issue for edits. Only the technician can now log service details. The technician can record all service details, parts, time, notes, and close the work order once the repairs are complete. Once the work order is closed, Simply Fleet automatically logs a service entry and updates the issue status to closed. The work order is closed, the issue is resolved, and your records stay airtight. Want to see a step-by-step on how technicians handle work orders? That's covered in a separate video. Try it yourself today.